I don't know how long I've left this bathroom window open, but I've got a literal bird nest in my bathroom. And I think there might be eggs in it. So I don't have the heart to... Oh, shit! Oh. Y'all resting in the shade while I'm doing yard work? Why aren't you helping? Why aren't you helping? Phoebe. What you got there? What you got there? A bone? Is that your bone? I'm not gonna get it. There's Phoebe's bone. Extremely protective of that thing. Hey, Allie. What's up, buddy? Phoebe. Bless you. Did you give a sneeze? All right. We got a weed eat all in here. This is Phoebe's territory. Got her on a leash. 30-foot run line. Because she can jump right over the fence, can't you, Phoebe? Yeah, she can jump the fence. Hello, Earl. I see you looking at me. I'm on the other side of the fence. I can't. Oh, man. Well, there goes Earl. Earl the Squirrel. Watch him climb. Let me show you the best seat in the house. Ironically, it's not in the house. You know, doing yard work is a great way to warm up your body. Do some exercise. Be ashamed to waste that. So I'm not going to. Let's get some push-ups. there much harder with your feet elevated. So what's the point of this video? What's the point of me filming myself doing such mundane and boring things as weed eating, picking berries around the house, doing push-ups, petting my dogs, and drinking a protein shake? Because mentally, all that is freeing. I can't tell you how many Saturdays I've spent from the time I get up to the time I go to bed, sitting in front of a computer, sitting in front of a television, and either playing World of Warcraft, watching Netflix, and just wasting time on Facebook. I don't have anything against any of those things. You know, gaming can be a good hobby if it's done in a healthy way. 16 hours a day, 10 hours a day, that's not healthy, and I have played that long before. There's nothing wrong with Netflix. But to spend your whole off day just sitting and watching other people like that, watching movies and shows like that, it's not rewarding, it's not fulfilling. For me, it feels good to just get out in the yard, do some yard work, do some exercise, get some nature in. You know, just brings out a whole different mindset in me. I feel like I'm kind of doing more to set myself up for success, whereas if I'm just playing games, watching porn, watching Netflix all day, at the end of the day, I just resent myself, and I feel like a failure on those days. So my main message in this video is to just find something that makes you feel fulfilled, that you can do in your spare time. There's nothing wrong with relaxing, watching a movie on Netflix. That's not what I'm saying. But if you know something that is going to cause that self-resentment, for me, eating fast food, just being a couch potato, that builds self-resentment. And that leads to self-loathing. Whereas when you get out and do things you know you need to do, yard work, exercise, do some yoga. I'm going to stretch here in a little bit. I'm not going to film that. But just actively enjoy your life while relaxing. You'll burn calories. You'll be able to think more. I didn't have anything plugged into my ear. I was just listening to my own thoughts, letting my brain lead wherever it would go. But that's it. As always, be here today and for as many tomorrows as possible. Thank you for watching. See, the trick to picking pine cones is you want to get them when they're babies, like this. You can see all these on the ground here. Once they get this size, or this size, especially like this, they don't taste as sweet. They're kind of hard to eat, and they actually kind of hurt. I mean, I still do eat them, nothing like a pine cone sandwich, but I much more prefer the sweet baby pine cones. You thought I was gonna say sweet baby rays?